Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. In previous class, I had taught you the lesson number 2, a great scientist. So before going to today's class, I will tell you the summary of this story once again. So this is the story of Royal Society of London. A young scientist was wanted to prove his experiment that animals, plants also feel pain and die in a few minutes after being poisoned. So, in that hall was gathered with eminent scientists. He started his experiment to inject the poison into a plant. After a few minutes, when he injected it, but it did not happen properly. In that time, audience started laughing, and he might understood it may some wrong, but he could not find out what was wrong there. But one of a man who confessed that he had replaced the poison with colored water. After that, the experiment got correct, and everyone, those who are present in their hall, they started to clap. The young scientist instantly became famous. So, who is that scientist? Young scientist? He was one of the great scientists, Jagadish Chandra Bose, our Indian physicist and botanist. Jagadish Chandra Bose was born on 30th November 1858 in Munsiganj district, now present in Bangladesh. In early education, he studied in his father who started that orphans for the school for orphans and the poor. Jagadish was influenced by a servant who was reformed dacoit. But on the way come back from school, Jagadish had listened more stories from Indian epics. His idol character is Karna from Mahabharata. Bose studied St. Xavier's College, Kolkata. After his school education, he attended Cambridge University, England for his higher studies. So children, now let's start the today's lesson, page number 6. Open page number 6. Keep finger on line. First line. Most of us have often wondered why the leaves of the touch me not plant fold up on being touched. Bose did a lot of research on plants and found that all plants react to touch. The only difference is that we cannot see the reaction of other plants, but we can see the reaction of the touch me not. It was a new discovery that plants could also feel sensation like us. So, children, in this paragraph, I will now explain to you. Most of us have often wondered why the leaves of the touch me not plant fold up on being touched. When we touch the plant, touch me not, it will become fold. Bose did a lot of research on plants and found that all plants react to touch. See, in our all plants, whatever you see the plants, they have reaction when you touch them. The only difference is that it cannot see the reaction of others plant. Others plants cannot see the reaction, but we can see that touch me not one plant is there. When you touch, it will become fold. But we can see the reaction of touch me not. Others plant they will not show the reaction. Only touch me not that plant only showing the reaction when we touch to that plant. It was a new discovery that plants could also feel sensation like us. So it is also a new discovery, invention for us that plants also have sensation. Sensation means when you touch, they have feelings, affects their body. Next paragraph, Bose made many more discoveries. He found that plants shrink a little during the night. He found he found out why plants always grow towards light and why some plants grow straight and some do not. He set up the Bose Institute in Kolkata to give the young scientists the right kind of scientific instruments and laboratory. While inaugurating the institute, he said, "This is not a laboratory but a temple." So, children, now I am explaining this paragraph to you. Bose made many more discoveries. So, he did many discoveries about the science. He found that plants shrink a little during the night. So, in night time, some plants are shrink. Shrink means they become small, but we can't see that one. He found why the plants always grow towards the light and why some plants grow straight and some do not. Some plants grow when plants will grow. Some plants will see the light in sunlight side, and some plants grow straight. Some are straight, some do not. Some plants will grow straight where light is there. Some will go another one side. Why? He set up Bose Institute in Kolkata. He um, set up an institute that named Bose Institute in Kolkata for the young scientists for the scientific instruments and laboratory. He has right kind of scientific instrument and laboratory uh, are given for young scientists in Bose Institute. While inaugurating the institute, he said, inauguration when he did that one in that institute, he said, "This is not a laboratory but a temple. Just you have to see it is a temple, not a laboratory." So, next paragraph. Apart from science, Bose had many other interests. He was particularly interested in literature and fine arts. Rabindranath Tagore, the poet, and Bose were very good friends. The first time Tagore visited Bose, he was not at home. Tagore left a bunch of champak flowers. This was the beginning of their friendship. Once Tagore invited Bose to stay with him. He agreed but put one condition. The condition was that Tagore should narrate a story to him every day. This is how many of Tagore's famous stories came to be written. Kabuliwala, a story about the deep friendship between a rough Pathan and a little Bengali girl, was written by Tagore when Bose was staying with him. So now I am going to explain this paragraph to you. Apart from science, Bose had many other interests. Not only science, Jagadish Chandra Bose has many other interests also. He was particularly interested in literature and fine arts. In literature means that others means for writing story, for poem, whatever that literature in language is there, no, for that matter, and fine arts. Rabindranath Tagore, the poet, and Bose were very good friends. Rabindranath Tagore and Jagadish Chandra Bose both are very good friends. The first time Tagore visited Bose, when first time Rabindranath Tagore visited Bose, he was not at home. Bose was not at home. Tagore left a bunch of champak flowers. For friendship, Tagore left a bunch of champak flowers. This was the beginning of their friendship. So they started their friendship with champak flowers. Once Tagore invited Bose to stay with him. One day Tagore invited Bose to stay with him. He agreed. Bose was agreed, but put one condition. He put one condition to Bose. The condition was that Tagore should narrate a story to him every day. So Rabindranath Tagore should narrate a story every day to him. To whom? To Jagadish Chandra Bose. This is how many of Tagore's famous stories came to be written. So, for friendship purpose, he used to come his house and telling daily one story to Jagadish Chandra Bose. Kabuliwala, a story about the deep friendship between a rough Pathan and a little Bengali girl. So Kabuliwala is one of them, the story, which one, the deep friendship of a rough Pathan. One Pathan means Kabul, those who are living in Kabul, they call Kabul. Kabul people, they are used to call Pathan. And a little girl, which one written by Tagore when Bose was staying with him. Bose in front of the Bose, those who are staying with together in that time, Tagore narrate the story Kabuliwala, and it is a famous story written by Rabindranath Tagore. So, okay, children, this is the story of great scientist Jagadish Chandra Bose. Now, in this page, I will tell you some new words you have to underline. Okay. First line, page number 6, first line, wondered. 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 Touch me not. TOUCH. Touch me not. Not. Touch me not. Third line, reaction. 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 Next, fifth line, discovery. 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 Sensation. SENSATIONS. Sensations. Institute. INSTITUTE. Fifth line, instruments. 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 Sixth line, laboratory. 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 Inaugurating. 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 Next paragraph, third line, particularly. 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 Fourth line, literature. 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 Fifth line, Rabindranath. 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 TAGORE. Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. Next, last line before 3, see third one. Kabuliwala. 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 So these are the new words you have to underline in your book and read the story aloud 5 times with new words. Bye children.